core, so the small core will insert into material. Let the core expand to the inside of the material. On the base. This is a brick. And the wheel.着急，试一下啊！
现在摇不动了。
Oil pump and check if the motor is reversed and it's right. We place pump up the motors run the right way. If the motor runs the other way, reverse way, we need to change. We need to change two of this black string, any two of black string. We press motor forward. The sheet is coming forward. If we press motor forward, here, the sheet reverse back, then we need to change back of the controller. Here. We need to change here 3 of this line, any 2 of these 3. Here is the remote control. For the first piece, 那你来操作。For the first piece, we need to guide the sheet to the cut bread slowly. For the first piece, after first piece, machine will automatically work. Workers don't need to feed the sheet. We press motor forward. The sheet is coming forward. Here we press the main motor forward. can manually cut here. Or on the manually working here. We also can cut. For example, we press forward and press here. Okay. After manual working, we come to set the length and the pieces. Here we send 300. Enter. And 2 pieces. Enter. Then we press auto and forward. Machine is automatically work. We set the length. We set the length 300. Let's check. It's 300.